I'm very happy that I visited this great country at the right time. I was coming to a brother and friend of mine that was in South Africa for a long time because of some people in South Africa who were not happy with what they were doing in the country, that I was working with him as well. They decided to say he must leave the country. And that was a very unfortunate thing. And he went away and they followed him, even at the wrong places. I haven't had time to meet with him, so I decided that I should come. I feel very good, and fortunately he told me that there is a leader who is a man of God. I'm sure I may be saying a wrong thing, but you understand what I mean. Who is a big friend of him, who is working with him. I had been part of the leading in our country, leading the country at some point, but they put me aside and I remained there. And I realized that they were messing up the country. They were not taking the country forward. I decided to take a decision to retake the country forward. And I think, given the fact that I'm now in a country talking to the people to say they must vote for me so that I will make the country to be what we wanted to be. And indeed, people came in big numbers. So my friend said he would love me to visit this wonderful place. I have been in the big city, but I haven't been on this part where he comes from. And I was very happy that I will have that opportunity, particularly because I'm contesting. And he, therefore, did say that he has his brother and friend. And I was very keen to see the brother and friend. And yesterday I had an opportunity for the first time to see this man of God. I'm telling you, I feel I am going to win the elections because people of God, they've been with me. And I would like to thank this big man that he had an opportunity to be with me the whole day today. But yesterday I was with him as well. He is a man of God. I think he's doing things that are not easy to many to do. And I'm therefore very happy that I'm in this country. He has shown me what happens. I think he has been with me in the very heavy areas like this one. And I think he's giving me some power. He's giving me not just some power, but he's giving me that I should once again take our people where they are supposed to be. And I'm very happy. And I would like to thank my brother there, together with the family, but also thank the big man here. He has given a good feeling to me. So thank you very much. I'm very happy. I'm also happy to have seen the people of this country who are very wonderful. And I think I was saying to our friends and brothers here that after we finish what we are doing in our country, I will pay a visit here. We should not be just 2 days or 3 days. It will be a big one, so that I can say thank you to my friends and brothers here to give me this opportunity to come here. So I would like to say I'm thanking you also, guys, who always tell the world what has happened. I think we are very good to do so, because other countries love telling